Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and flex so deep.
Hi mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with the lovely CurlyMe hair. They went ahead and sent me their water wave Mongolian texture hair in 180 density. It is a 4x4 lace closure unit and 30 inches. This wig was a pre-cut lace wig, so that means very self-explanatory, and I showed you guys in the beginning, or I'll put it up on the screen, where the lace is actually cut beforehand. So all you have to do is just pull your baby hairs out, do them. This wig, you don't have to bleach the knots. The knots are very tiny on this lace, so not super visible at all, so you can skip that step and just hop into doing your wig. So this is very beginner friendly, and I literally did not even use any type of adhesive. Let me go ahead and do a glueless check for you guys. So I can literally push this comb all the way up in the lace, it stays, and then I pull it out, and I'm gonna come a little bit closer. I just wanted you guys to see the length. Literally flawless. Like, so I'm pretty much just gonna show you guys how to install this unit, and it is also on a dome cap with an adjustable strap, so it was really easy to work with. I am living for this install, so thank you so much to CurlyMe here for sending me this gorgeous wig. And if you'd like to see how I did this install, let's jump into today's tutorial.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and flex so deep, sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. When they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the fight is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm Birkin. Don't not rock with the workin'. Cause you know I love them all, to me you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. You know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby you got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to, picking and choosing. They ain't really love you, running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. You know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. I don't wanna leave. Yeah. Play no games. Freaky. I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like Hairline, sweet like Peachtree. Like that. I could tell you crazy, but you kinda intrigue me. Yeah, I like that. Seen it on the ground, tryna see that in 3D, mommy. I know I get around cause I like to move freely. But you can lock it down, I can tell by how you treat me. Seeing how you did, homeboy, so please take it easy.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
This wig is actually glueless, so I literally did not need any sort of adhesive, no lace bond that I usually use, none of that. All I had to do was just pull some baby hairs out, do it, and voila, here we are. So this gorgeous wig is from CurlyMe Hair, as you can see from the title. It is their water wave Mongolian hair. It is 180 density and 30 inches, so it is actually super duper full and thick for 180 density, which I think is crazy because not only is it full and thick, it's also super lightweight. And I know that this is a very vacation friendly unit, or just a unit to have overall, especially if you're a baddie, you like to go out often and you just want something to snag on and off. This is the perfect unit for you. I'm not experiencing any drastic shedding. Like, this hair barely shed at all. Actually, hair is all of the hair that came out of it when I did the detangling, just that much. So we are not working with a lot, seeing that it's 30 inches worth of hair, so that's not a lot of shedding at all. And this is something that I am loving for this unit. And if you'd like to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check it out on CurlyMe website. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.